Hi guys, welcome to my channel Zedigo World TV. Today we're looking at all the tasks for today, 20th of September 2024. The first is our daily combo. The first card is License Japan. I've already picked that up and it's under the legal tab. The next card is under the PR team and it's called Security Audition. Security Audition. So you click on that and get your coins. The last card, the last card is under the market tab and it's called staking. Staking. So you click on go ahead, get your coins and your daily combo is complete. Take your 5 million coins prize. Our next task is the daily cipher. So click on the daily cipher and start putting in your letters. The first letter is B dash dot 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 dash dot dot dot. The next letter is Y dash dot dash 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 dot dash dash. Again, dash dot dash dash. The third letter is B. Also dash dot 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 dash dot dot dot. The next letter is I dot 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 dot, and the last letter is T dash dash, and your code is cracked. Take your 1 million coins, and that's it for daily cipher. Now the last task I'll take us on is to get our key for today. So just follow what you see on the screen to get your key. And now your puzzle is solved. Thank you for watching, guys. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification button, like and share my video. Thank you. Bye.